Hello everyone. I hope you all are good and you all are practicing problems, learning concepts. For now, we will be solving this question. And before you navigate through the whole video, please pause the thing here and read the question carefully. Try solving it on your own. Okay. Done. Now let us start with reading the question. A disk of radius r is connected to a string of length L. Okay, so this is a disk basically. The string is tied to a point on the circumference of disk. The system is made to oscillate in vertical plane of disk with a small angular amplitude theta naught. सो ऐसा कुछ सिस्टम हमने पढ़ा है जैसे पेंडुलम की आप बात कर लो पेंडुलम के केस में आई मीन वी कंसिडर दिस बॉब एज अ पॉइंट पार्टिकल वी डोंट टॉक अबाउट द ज्योमेट्री ऑफ दिस बॉब राइट सो we say that I mean the center of mass of bob is here or here both are same because this is a point mass sort of so we don't talk about geometry of this thing so we kind of say that this is attached with a point mass something m and then when we displace it by small angle we see that it oscillates right so here also the system is made to oscillate in the vertical plane okay with a small angular amplitude theta naught so with what amplitude it will oscillate theta naught और ये कब होगा जब आप इसको theta naught angle तक लेकर जाते हो and then you release it from here okay so यहाँ से आपने इसे release कर दिया Sorted. So this is what you will be getting. Find the speed of lowest point of disk at the moment a string becomes vertical. So when a string will become vertical, okay, at that point of time, I mean it is asking what will be the velocity of its lowest point. That is velocity of this point. Okay. So iski velocity kya hogi? How we will calculate it? So, I mean, if we know what is the angular velocity at this point, then we can easily calculate what will be the velocity of this point. Okay, so this is a case of physical pendulum because we are talking about this body as something having geometry and everything. So this is a case of physical pendulum, right? और फिजिकल पेंडुलम में जैसे अगर मैं बोलूं कि एक डिस्क को आपने ऐसे हैंग किया ठीक है so when mg that is when its center of mass it just below the point of suspension in this case mg will pass through this point and around this point torque of mg will be zero because r is zero here right and if you do one thing I mean you displace it by certain angle you're displacing this disk then center of mass is shifting somewhere here and in that case mg is this it is no longer passing through the point of suspension and if you calculate torque it will be I mean sorry it will be r cross mg so r is this one r is the distance of point of suspension from the center of mass of this gross body okay so that is your r or l whatever you call so traditionally it is called as l so that is mgl and if you have displaced it by an angle theta this angle is theta so torque will be mgl sine theta torque will be what? L cross R cross F, right? R is L, F is mg, and angle is theta. So that is mgl sine theta. This is your torque. And if you see carefully, ये torque आपका इस direction में है और आपने डिस्क को इधर लेकर गए हो आप. So torque and theta are oppositely directed. So if theta is small, if you have displaced it by small angle, sine theta can be written as theta. So this will become mgl theta. And if we include the sine, this will become negative, right? So this will perform SHM you can see this is equation of angular SHM, right? So I alpha is equal to mgl by I and sorry, alpha will be mgl by I into theta. Okay, so this is going to be your angular omega ka square. I mean that omega which will help you to calculate the time period. Okay, so time period will be 2 pi root under 2 pi by omega. So that will be I by mgl. सो दिस इज वन थिंग वी नो अबाउट दिस फिजिकल पेंडुलम बट यहाँ पे हमें एक चीज से और केयरफुल होना है जैसे देखो अगर आप इस केस में यूज करते हो देन I mean this omega is what it will give us what time period right but you just think about this this bob thing this is connected to this point and let's say we are giving it certain or let's say we have taken it to angle theta naught and then we are releasing it so at an angle theta naught, let's say this is the ground, this bob is at certain height, so it has certain potential energy. As it will come down, that potential energy will get converted into what? Kinetic. और kinetic energy को मैं अगर मैं ऐसे लिखूं जैसे देखो this bob is rotating around an axis passing through this point, right? So this is in rotation around this axis. Okay, so अगर आप इसका moment of inertia निकालते हो around this axis, then you will be writing that as I, let's say, and then kinetic energy will become half I omega square. Done it? So I'm treating this case as a pure rotation around this axis. So then kinetic energy will be this one. And while it is coming down, kinetic energy should increase. Done it? Because potential is what? Decreasing. So it will only increase. I mean, I is not going to change. That is a constant thing. Half is not going to change. Omega needs to change. So here, this omega, I mean, this omega is basically rate of change of angle. Okay, so this is different than this one. Okay, so you have to be careful with this thing. ओके यहाँ पे आपको इस चीज से केयरफुल होना है, क्योंकि देखो आप लीनियर एसएचएम की जब बात करते हो ना तो वेलोसिटी चेंज होती है, राइट? सो वेलोसिटी टाइम के साथ क्या होता है? चेंज होता है, क्योंकि उसका स्प्रिंग एनर्जी क्या होता है? चेंज होता है. सो अकॉर्डिंगली काइनेटिक एनर्जी चेंजेस सच दैट टोटल एनर्जी इज कांस्टेंट. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे इफ यू टॉक अबाउट एंगुलर एसएचएम, इन दैट केस ओमेगा हैज टू चेंज. Done it? So that omega and this omega are two different things. That is what I wanted to say. Okay. Now let us talk about the calculation in this part. Okay. So अगर मुझे यहाँ पे अगर मैं बोलूँ, let's say uh, it was at theta equal to 0 initially, and then it went to angle theta naught, and then finally it is coming to this point. And at this point we have to talk about the velocity of the lowest point. Okay. सो थीटा के लिए आप क्या लिख सकते हो? जैसे लीनियर एसएचएम में आप क्या लिखते हो? अगर ये बॉडी ऐसे एसएचएम परफॉर्म कर रही है एंड इफ इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन, वी से दैट x इज इक्वल टू a sin ओमेगा t. देन एंगुलर एसएचएम क्या लिखोगे? थीटा इज इक्वल टू थीटा नॉट एंड दिस इज sin ओमेगा t. दिस ओमेगा इज व्हाट? दिस वन, राइट? सो इट इज दिस वन. सॉर्टेड. सो दिस इज दिस थिंग. अब देखो आप इसको चेंज करो यहाँ. आई मीन यहाँ पे मैं लिखने जा रही हूँ थीटा इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? थीटा नॉट साइन ओमेगा टी. Now you calculate d theta by dt. So d theta by dt is equal to how much? Theta naught omega cos omega t. And at this point, when it is reaching over here, angle here will be equal to how much? Theta is equal to 0 degree. Because I have taken this as 0 and then it is progressing like this. Then it is coming back. Again, it will go this way, come back. सो दिस इज द इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन. इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन को लीनियर केस में x इक्वल टू 0 मांगते हैं, एंगुलर केस में थीटा इक्वल टू 0 लेकर चलेंगे. सो एट दिस पॉइंट थीटा इज 0, सो ओमेगा वैल्यू दैट इज डी थीटा बाई डी टी का वैल्यू, द रेट विथ विच ओमेगा इज चेंज, सॉरी एंगल इज चेंजिंग, वो वैल्यू तुम्हारा कितना होगा? ओमेगा टी. That is angle over here is what? It is 0 degree. So this is 0 degree. So this will become q naught omega thing, right? So this is q naught omega at this point. So what will be velocity at this point of this lowest point? So देखो lowest point axis of rotation से कितने distance पर होगा? This is in the question. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance L is given, because यहाँ पे आप ध्यान से देखो string is tied to a point on the circumference of the disk. So string is tied to the circumference. So till here. Done it? So distance of this point is going to be L plus 2r. Okay, so this is L plus 2r. So velocity at this point when this is will be of the lowest thing. I mean, while it is coming down, it will be oppositely directed. So this point in this direction will be v equal to how much? That is going to be d theta by dt into distance, that is L plus 2r. Okay, and d theta by dt is how much? That is theta naught omega L plus 2r. Now what is this omega? So that we can easily calculate with the formula of this physical pendulum. So omega square is how much? Mgl by I. So omega will be equal to root under mgl by I. ठीक है. सो आप यहाँ पे वैल्यूज को पुट करो. एम जी एल. एल इज व्हाट? एल इज डिस्टेंस ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ मास फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ सस्पेंशन. Okay, so here center of mass is this and point of suspension is this. यहाँ से ये distance आपको कितना दिख रहा है? L plus R. So here you will be putting mg L plus R. And then I कितना होगा तुम्हारा? Moment of inertia आप निकाल लो. इस axis के around कितना होगा? एम आर स्क्वेयर बाई टू. एंड इस एक्सिस का इस एक्सिस दोनों पैरेलल हैं और इनका डिस्टेंस क्या है? एल प्लस आर होगा. डन है. यहाँ तक एल है, यहाँ से आर है. सो दिस विल बी एम आर स्क्वेयर बाई टू प्लस हाउ मच? एम एल प्लस आर का स्क्वेयर. So this is going to be omega. M will get cancelled and you're going to get L plus R divided by R square by 2 plus L plus R ka whole square, and that is going to be your root under. Okay, so this is what you are going to get. अब यहाँ पे आप value को put कर लो. So what will be the thing here? Theta naught into omega, that is L plus R by R square by 2 plus L plus R का square, right? So parallel axis theorem I have used. यहाँ से इसका distance L plus R है इसके center से. Center के around moment of inertia mr square by 2 है. So that is how I have done this one. And into L plus 2R. So this is going to be your answer. Okay. I hope you got it, but in case you're confused anywhere or you want any discussion, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.